Day 3. Ravi's first challenge at work. Ravi woke up early in the morning. It was still dark outside. The alarm rang at 5:30 a.m. Ravi slowly opened his eyes. For a few seconds, he stayed silent. He looked at the ceiling and smiled. Today is my second day at work, Ravi said to himself. He remembered his first day. He was nervous. His hands were shaking. But he survived the day. Ravi got out of bed. He folded his blanket neatly. He went to the bathroom and washed his face. He looked at himself in the mirror. You can do this, Ravi, he said softly. Just speak slowly. Speak clearly. Ravi brushed his teeth. He took a bath. He wore his office clothes. While getting ready, Ravi played an English audio on his phone. It was a simple English conversation. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Ravi repeated every sentence aloud. Good morning, Ravi said. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. He practiced while combing his hair. He practiced while tying his shoes. This was his new habit. Daily English practice. Ravi's mother called him. Ravi, breakfast is ready. Ravi went to the kitchen. He sat on the chair. His mother looked at him and smiled. You look confident today, she said. Ravi smiled back. I am trying, Ravi replied. I want to speak English without fear. His mother nodded. Slowly, you will learn, she said. Just don't give up. After breakfast, Ravi picked up his bag. He touched his mother's feet. He left the house. Outside, the air was fresh. Birds were chirping. The sun was rising. Ravi walked to the bus stop. At the bus stop, many people were standing. Some were talking. Some were on their phones. Ravi stood quietly. He opened his phone and read English sentences. I work in an office. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking skills. He whispered each line. The bus arrived. Ravi got in. He found a seat near the window. As the bus moved, Ravi looked outside. He thought about his life. Just a few months ago, Ravi was afraid of English. He avoided speaking. He felt embarrassed. But now, he was trying. The bus reached the office area. Ravi got down. He walked towards his office building. The building looked big. Glass doors. Security guards at the entrance. Ravi took a deep breath. Good morning, Ravi said to the guard. The guard replied. Good morning. Ravi felt happy. Inside the office, people were working. Some were typing. Some were talking on calls. Ravi went to his desk. He kept his bag. He turned on his computer. His manager, Mr. Thomas, walked in. Good morning, Ravi, Mr. Thomas said. Ravi stood up. Good morning, sir, Ravi replied. Mr. Thomas smiled. Today, I have an important task for you, he said. Ravi's heart started beating fast. Yes, sir, Ravi said carefully. Mr. Thomas continued. You need to talk to a client on the phone. Ravi felt nervous. A phone call. Ravi thought. In English. Mr. Thomas looked at him. Don't worry, he said. It's a simple call. Ravi nodded. Yes, sir. I will try, Ravi said. Mr. Thomas handed him a paper. Here are the details, he said. Read this and call the client. Ravi sat down slowly. He looked at the paper. Client name. Company name. Purpose of the call. Ravi read everything carefully. He opened a notebook. He wrote some English sentences. Hello, this is Ravi calling from. I want to talk about. Thank you for your time. He practiced quietly. Hello, hello. No, speak clearly, Ravi told himself. He closed his eyes for a moment. He took a deep breath. Then, Ravi picked up the phone. His finger trembled. He dialed the number. Ring, ring. The call connected. Hello, a voice said. Ravi swallowed. Hello, Ravi said slowly. This is Ravi calling from ABC office. There was silence for 1 second. Yes, go ahead, the client replied. Ravi felt a little confident. I am calling regarding our new service, Ravi said. He spoke slowly. He spoke clearly. Sometimes he paused. Sometimes he searched for words. But he did not stop. The client listened patiently. After a few minutes, the call ended. Thank you, Ravi said. Have a nice day. He kept the phone down. Ravi's hands were shaking. But his face was smiling. I did it, Ravi whispered. Mr. Thomas came near. How was the call? He asked. Ravi stood up. It was good, sir, Ravi said. I was nervous, but I managed. Mr. Thomas smiled. Good job, Ravi, he said. Confidence comes with practice. Ravi felt proud. Later that day, Ravi talked to his colleagues. He tried to speak in English. Simple sentences. Short sentences. Can you help me? Thank you. Yes, I understand. Some colleagues smiled. Some helped him. During lunch break, Ravi sat alone. He opened his lunch box. He ate quietly. He thought about his journey. English is not my enemy, Ravi thought. Fear is my enemy. After lunch, Ravi returned to work. The day was not easy. There were many tasks. Many instructions. But Ravi did not give up. In the evening, Ravi packed his bag. He said goodbye to his colleagues. See you tomorrow, Ravi said. See you, they replied. Ravi walked out of the office. The sky was orange. The sun was setting. Ravi waited for the bus. While waiting, he practiced again. What did I learn today? Ravi asked himself. I learned that practice works, he answered. The bus came. Ravi sat down. On the way home, Ravi smiled. But Ravi did not know one thing. Tomorrow, a bigger challenge was waiting for him. A challenge that would test his confidence, his patience, and his English speaking skills. Ravi's real test was about to begin.